looking living area that has been given over here. There is a kitchenette area over here. So master bedroom has been given over here. French. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Embassy 1, which is located at Pokhran Road in Thane West. Well, we are going to do this project sample flat tour. Regarding the project, we are going to do a lot in detail. But सबसे पहले जानते हैं what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects the customers with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platform, जहाँ पर अगर आप इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो आपके नंबर बहुत सारे ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाते हैं एंड उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है, आपको ढेर सारे कॉल्स आने लगते हैं. वेल, लेट मी टेल यू दैट हाउसी एक ऐसा रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधा डेवलपर्स. तो यहाँ वहां जाना छोड़िए, बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद द डेवलपर थ्रू हाउसी. अब बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में. सो लेट मी टेल यू दैट दिस प्रोजेक्ट दैट इज एम्बेसी 1 जो कि लोकेटेड है एट पोखरन रोड नंबर 2 इन थाने वेस्ट. दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज गोइंग टू बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन 7 acres ऑफ लैंड पार्सल जिसमें आपको मिलने वाले हैं 5 टावर्स ऑफ ग्राउंड प्लस 40 स्टोरेज एंड इसमें आपको मिलने वाले हैं 2 and 3 BHK प्रीमियम रेसिडेंसेज एज वेल एज जोड़ी ऑप्शंस आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. अब बात की जाए लोकेशन के बारे में. सो द लोकेशन इज पोखरन रोड नंबर 2 इन थाने वेस्ट. यहाँ से हर चीज काफी इजी कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाती है. विवियाना मॉल इज जस्ट 300 मीटर्स फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट. साथ ही साथ अपकमिंग मेट्रो स्टेशन जो है वो भी आपको मिल जाएगी 300 मीटर्स की दूरी पर. देन जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल इज जस्ट 2 to 3 मिनट्स फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट. साथ ही साथ ईस्टर्न एक्सप्रेस हाईवे आप इजीली कनेक्ट कर सकते हो इन जस्ट 4 to 5 मिनट्स एज वेल एज जो अच्छे शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस या फिर आप बोलो अगर आपको रेस्टोरेंट्स जाने हैं तो काफी सब कुछ आपको इजी कनेक्टिविटी में इस लोकेशन से मिल जाता है. अच्छी थाने की प्राइम लोकेशन है. माजीवाड़ा जो है जो मेन जंक्शन है जहां से आप अलग अलग जगह पर कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, दैट इज जस्ट आउटसाइड द प्रोजेक्ट, यानी कि जस्ट 2 minutes ड्राइव फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट. अब बात की जाए अमेनिटीज के बारे में. सो लेट मी टेल यू दैट दिस प्रोजेक्ट ऑफर्स 50+ लग्जरियस अमेनिटीज जिसमें आपको मिलता है इंफिनिटी स्विमिंग पूल, साथ ही साथ क्लब हाउस, जिम्नेजियम, किड्स प्ले एरिया, बैंक्वेट हॉल, एम्फी थिएटर एंड मेनी मोर. सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स गो एंड सी हाउ द सैंपल फ्लैट इज. एंड इस लोकेशन के और दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट वीडियोस देखने के लिए जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द आई बटन. So right now we are standing outside the 3 BHK sample flat of Embassy 1 by Embassy 1 Group at Pokhran Road, Thane West. Well, we are going to do this project sample flat tour. This is of 1136 square feet carpet area. So without any delay, let's get inside. So as we enter, this is the small passage area that's been given over here. And right before we go into the living area, there is a kitchenette area over here. So let's get inside the kitchenette area. It's a nice big spacious looking kitchenette area. 2-sided platforms have been given. Ample space has been given for your 2-door refrigerator as well, and the platform that has been given, it is of marble quartz, and there are going to be cabins as well. The lower cabins are going to be provided by the developer. And at your back side, can we see that there is a dry passage. There is a dry balcony that has been given over here. You can store your utilities over here, so that's really great. And yes, this is a beautiful looking kitchenette area that's been provided. So yes, now we move ahead and go to see the living area. As we go ahead, this is the beautiful spacious looking living area that has been given over here. This is the dining area. This is the seating area that's been provided over here. And as you can see, there are marble flooring over here. Marble flooring has been given. So that's really great. As well as now we go to see the cherry on the cake, which is the balcony that has been provided over here. Wide front sliding windows have been given. This is a very nice spacious looking balcony that has been provided over here with glass railings for your safety as well. And now let's move ahead and see the remaining part of the home. As we go ahead, let us first see the bedroom number 1 that's been given over here on our right hand side as we enter. So let's get inside the bedroom number 1. A nice big spacious bedroom number 1 has been provided. Ample space for your bed over here, ample space for your wardrobe over here. This is also like a master bedroom. And yes, let's get ahead. Also, let me tell you that sabhi rooms may, as well as the living room, ACs are going to be provided by the developer. This room comes with an attached washroom. So let's quickly go and see the washroom as well. Also, as we enter in the room, there's a nice area over here. So this place has also been beautifully utilized. You can make some sort of cabin over here as well. Let's go and see the washroom. So anti-skid tiles have been provided, as well as high-end sanitary fittings also have been provided. A nice spacious washroom has been given over here. And now let's quickly go and see the remaining 2 rooms which are on the other side. Let's go ahead. So yes, not much space has been given for your corridor as well. So yes, this is a common washroom that's been given over here. A nice spacious washroom has been provided with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, as well as a wash basin inside the washroom as well, and a window for your ventilation as well. Now let's see quickly the bedroom number 2. As we enter the bedroom number 2, there is a small study that's been given over here. You can also utilize this space for your dressing table as well. So yes, this is a beautiful looking bedroom number 2 that's been given over here. Glass railings have been provided, as well as wide French sliding windows have been provided as well. And there is ample space for your wardrobe also that's been given over here. So that's really great. Well, now we move on to the bedroom number 3, which is the master bedroom. लेकिन उसके पहले हम जानते हैं कि हाउसी हमारे लिए आखिर क्या करता है. Well, let me tell you that हाउसी में आपको मिलती है actual location tour. हम आपको बताते हैं sample flat tour as well. We also give you pros and cons of every project. साथ ही साथ हम आपको बताते हैं all inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And we also give you the 360 degrees virtual project tour. वाव, इससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है. And if after all of this अगर आपको फ्लैट पसंद आता है, प्रोजेक्ट पसंद आता है, तो इन 3 सिंपल क्लिक्स आप कर सकते हैं अपनी फ्री साइट विजिट बुक. तो देरी किस बात की, जल्दी से जाइए, नीचे दिए लिंक पर क्लिक कीजिए and book your free site visit right now. And now let's quickly go and see the master bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. As we enter, there's a small passage area that's been given over here. And here comes your master bedroom. Very beautifully spacious looking master bedroom has been given over here. French sliding windows have been provided, as well as glass railing for your safety. Ample space for your king size bed, ample space for your wardrobe over here. And now let's go and see the washroom area. An attached washroom comes with the master bedroom. A nice spacious washroom has been given with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings as well. Also, this space here can be utilized as a dressing table or your study. That is totally up to you. So yes, this is the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Embassy 1 by Embassy 1 Group, which is located at Pokhran Road number 2 in Thane West. कैसा लगा आपको ये फ्लैट टूर? नीचे दिए कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें जरूर बताएं. साथ ही साथ अगर आप डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट का ई-ब्रोशर, you can just go and click on the link mentioned in the description. If you need details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. Also, जाने से पहले हम आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, क्या आपने कभी थाने वेस्ट लोकेशन में कोई घर खरीदा है? क्या है आपके रिव्यूज? Let us know in the comment section as well. Your feedback is very important for us and our viewers as well. Also, before going, if you like this video, do not forget to press the like button, share it with your family and friends who are looking out to purchase flats. And हमारे चैनल हाउसी को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अगले वीडियो में. Until then, bye bye and take care.
So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project 1 Embassy located in Thane West by 1 Embassy Group, Thane. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.